goodness, it's such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. And look at my beautiful house, and the beautiful food, and my beautiful face. Isn't it beautiful? And also, with my beautiful house and beautiful face comes my beautiful boyfriend. Ah! Oh my gosh, he's coming over in like a couple minutes. No. Stop freaking out. Don't freak out. He doesn't like that. Oh my gosh, it's a big dog. Okay, I'm going to check my hair. I'm going to check my hair now. Do 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 do. Ribbit. Do 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 do. Hey there. New.
Ew, you stupid thing! You killed my tires! What the fudge? Beat the whole world! Oh, gosh. Knock, knock, knock. Someone's here.
Oh my goodness, who could it be?
It's your boyfriend. Who the heck do you think? I called like 2 hours ago, stupid.
Honey, I'm just joking.
Oh, right.
Cold sarcasm.
Dude, what happened to your face?
What about my face? Isn't it beautiful?
It's green.
No, it's not. It's like it's always been, right? Right?
What the heck happened to my girlfriend? She used to be hot, and now she looks like a monster. What the beep?
What are you talking about, Johnny? It looks the exact same. How could you do that? So you're saying I'm ugly, and I've been ugly my whole entire life?
No, you just changed somehow.
That is it. It's over. I hate you. Get out of my house.
Whoa, you took that way too seriously.
Get out of my house,
or I will call the sponges. Dun, dun, dun. No, you wouldn't.
Oh, yes, I would.
You don't got the courage. Sponges are way too good for you.
No, they're not. Watch me. I'll call them right now. With my laptop.
Wow. She's gonna fail.
With my beautiful laptop, I got it published for only $3.99. It was used. But don't tell my ex-boyfriend that. Do-do-do. Da-da-da-da. See, name of victim, Johnny.
Dude, you're not seriously doing it, are you?
Yes, I am. Place here. And ready? I'm gonna press the enter button.
No, seriously, don't. Okay, that's like not cool.
Watch me. 1, 2, 3.
Done! No, you idiot! Why'd you do that?
Now the sponges are gonna come and they're gonna kill you.
Why? What did I ever do to you, you freak?
You're in my house and I told you to get out!
Oh my gosh, you're crazy! You're gonna be the end of us! Too close to this. Whoa. Oh yeah. Huh?